This is Reagan Yeldell reporting from 7 Juniper Action News. We're about to go outside and monitor this snow. Come with me, please. All right, this is what it's looking like in 7 Juniper. We got the yardstick. Ooh, there's a lot of stuff going on out here. Okay, we'll go right here. Oh, what's that? About 5.5 inches of snow over there. Let's go in the street. There's Mom back there looking at me. We're in the street, y'all. We're in the middle of the street. Let's look in the middle of the street. In the middle of the street, looks like we got a clear good almost 6 inches in the middle of the street. I'm going to make fresh tracks into the doorway. So everyone knows. Oh, actually, you know what? No, I'm going to draw. Oh, you can't see it. R-Y. There we go. R-Y. That's me. Getting my steps in. Let's go. Let's look at. Ooh. Okay. We got about 9 inches by the door. And my car is all protected from here. There you have it. Reagan Yeldell signing off from 7 Juniper Action News. Back to you.